We're in Jamaica. No, we're not. We're actually in the middle of the ocean. We're supposed to be in Jamaica in 2 hours. No, 3 hours. We're gonna go to the gym. I don't know if I'm gonna last very long. I think I'm just gonna do the treadmill for at least 30 minutes. And then maybe go get a light breakfast and see what everyone else is doing, and then shower and get ready for a day in Jamaica. Okay.
Move the water is.
Welcome to Jamaica.
Dude, clear the water is.
Look at that. Huh? Look at that blue right there. Wow. Ocho Rios.
You can go in there too. Each single one you pass.
So, sorry. The boat is still in Jamaica, but we came inside because not only are we burnt, we thought this would be the best time to do some things, or one of the best times, while a lot of people are still out there, because we're still here for a couple hours. So we're gonna grab some lunch together, some drinks, some lunch together, and do some water slide things. Water slide, sky ride, and about to leave Jamaica, and we are going to get, well, we are ready for dinner. And then we're gonna go, sit, have drinks, and take pictures before we take off. This is the fit. 2 thrifted pieces. And my hair is wet, so I just like threw it back, did a little fling. My handsome mans. You see them?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. Got that on video.
Let me see it.
It was already up close. Like, what the fuck? That, oh, there's sand. I think these are these potties? Or are they stores? Look at them cooking. Why are there so many chickens? Babe, look at this guy. Look at this guy. What's he doing? Oh, they have baby chicks. Oh my god. Oh, look at the baby chicks.
There's a rooster.
That's funny. Yeah.
Jet skis would be fun. Do you remember?
I don't want to get.
You don't have to put on that red light. Walk the streets for money. You don't care if it's wrong or if it is right. Roxanne, you don't have to wear that dress tonight. Roxanne. Which is fine, but please do keep the chit chat and table talk to the minimum in English. And your laughter to the maximum. Now, who's ready for show
I know, but not These are our matching heelers. This way? What?
Those cheeses.
Oh, you thought it. Matching bathing suits today. They're on everything. That's so cute. What? These are so cool. Emojis. What the heck? I wonder why. There's people taking pictures.
Everything is tight, so you can fall, right?
Oh, ready. In the hat. Cozumel.
You got photo.
That's funny. What? No.
Please take pictures. I asked a picture of you, not the boat. Whoa, look over there. Botox. $8.99. What time is our
7:30. No.
I got it. Fish spa. Ew.
It's like a pedicure and the fish.
I know, they eat the dead skin.
Oh.
There's other little Cozumel.
I know, I see.
VIP area. It's the beach.
That's not what I mean though. It's just like in the heat. I don't think in the heat and the sand and the salt water.
Mexico, not yet. Hands down.
Should I go to Brian? transportation process is going to work tomorrow because we are dropping you off in a different terminal that picks you up. So we picked you up in Terminal D. Tomorrow we'll be dropping you off in Terminal F. So we need to explain to you how this is going to work. Last active duty-free shopping. So do so because the shops will close tonight at 11 p.m. And also this you'll.
Okay. So now we're gonna go pack. It's a little sad. I look a little crazy from this angle. Here. I don't want to pack.
When you unpack everything they own into your closet.
I don't want to pack. We're gonna book another one soon, so I don't know. If you guys wanna like sponsor us or something, that would be cool.